Let's see how many subs I have here. 2,999. One more to go. One more. Just keep hitting refresh till I hit 3,000.
One eternity later.
Yo, wake up. He's about to hit 3,000 subs and you're gonna miss it. Wake up. What? Okay, I'll check it again. 3,002. You know what that means? Come on, let's go. I got it right here. I got the SCX24, and I'd like to give a shout out to Kranzel's Hobbytown, where I got this from. If you're in the Harrisburg, Camp Hill area, check them out. Great store. But let's head home. Woohoo! Finally got one! The Axial SCX24. Yes, I got the red deadbolt, but this is a reward to myself for hitting 3,000 subs, and it's also a reward for one of my subscribers because I'm gonna also give away an SCX24. Not in this video, so just hold on. Watch for the video of the unboxing and then the little review, a little run around of this. That's the video that you can enter in the giveaway, so that video is coming up. Obviously, I just got this now, so I'm going to need time to make the unboxing video. Hopefully, it'll be in the very beginning of December when I'll have the video done and ready for all of you to get yourself entered for a chance to win one of your very own. And hey, maybe you don't like the deadbolt. I'm gonna let you choose. Whoever is the winner, I'm gonna let them choose which one they want. There's a few other models that are available. We have the deadbolt here, which looks like a Bronco. It has a little driver in it, which looks pretty cool. And it does come in two different colors. It comes in the green and then the red. But then they have the C10 Chevy pickup, and then they also have the Jeep Wrangler, the four-door Wrangler. So thank you everybody for clicking that subscribe button. If you are watching and you didn't click the subscribe button, go ahead right over here. And I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC, which is going to be one of these.